notes and babies, and likes giving gifts, has a hard time accepting a good compliment. She loves her whole family and all of her friends, so if you're the one she lets in, take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her on days when I got all this time wasting on your love. Oh, please don't do this to me, yeah. Baby, you're my dime that I could never lose. Count on me, I'll be true to you. Let's